Ibaloy Day since 2010 by resolution of the Baguio City Council, Iyaman Apo. But this year, for the first time, Ibaloy Day has been declared by Malacanang as a special non-working holiday in Baguio City. And we gather to remember the significance of the date, February 23, and why this has been declared Ibaloy Day. Before Baguio became the highly urbanized chartered city that it is today, it was home to a number of Ibaloy clans whose traditional livelihoods were agriculture, horse and cattle grazing, and gold trading.
Kahit pa paano is unti-unti na pinapaintindi namin dito sa mga local officials. Hopefully, hanggang national sana, makita nila na talagang ito, since time immemorial naman Kasi yung naman ang number one na masasabi nating pag-aari natin ng isang lugar.